Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I really don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the season or what have you, but I am coming at you today with yet another unboxing. I can't hold them all up. We have the Black Swallow mystery boxes. I am so excited for what's inside of these. I actually haven't seen any spoilers. I haven't peeked inside, nothing. I am so curious to see what's inside. Typically, from what I've heard, these boxes are pretty good, but it is my first time purchasing it. In fact, my first time purchasing anything from Australia. I was really impressed with the shipping. I was truly expecting it to take a lot longer, obviously, given it's so far away, but the shipping was pretty good. It came to me close to Valentine's Day. I do believe these were Valentine's Day mystery boxes. So the tiers are a little bit different than the JSC mystery boxes. We have the standard, we have premium, and then we have ultra deluxe. So the prices for that, the standard is $100, the premium is $200, and the ultra deluxe is $300. For the first time in my life, I purchased something and I didn't have to pay more because of duties, because Australian dollar is less than Canadian, which is very rare. I'm very used to purchasing things from America and having to pay double and then pay duty on top of it. This was such a pleasant experience. The shipping came nice and fast, and overall, I'm really happy with it. Now, I have not even glanced in these boxes. I don't have any clues. I don't know what's inside, and I cannot wait anymore. Let's jump right in. All right, let's start with the standard. I'm not even sure how many items are supposed to be in here. I was very rushedly buying these. A subscriber actually messaged me and was like, have you ever tried these boxes? Maybe give it a go, people would like it. So I ran, got them before they sold out. Did I open the right box? I'm just gonna get right to the goods. The Pink Religion palette. Yes, ma'am. This is what we wanted to see in the Valentine's Day JSC mystery boxes. This is what we wanted to see. This is a perfect Valentine's Day palette. It's a newer palette. I love that they included this in here. I'm already so surprised. Oh my God. We have a Supreme Gloss. This is in Never Content. This is from the Pricked collection. So more brand new items, guys. I am loving this. Wow. Up next, two Velour liquid lipsticks. We have the shade Triggered, and we also have the shade Jawbreaker. So Jawbreaker, a little less wearable, but these are so lovely for on the eyes. I know I always mention that, and I've never done a look with these on my eyes. Let me know if you guys would be curious in seeing a look just with the Velour liquid lipsticks. That would be so fun, I think. Definitely let me know. But yeah, really nice. I don't have Jawbreaker, I believe, in the actual Velour liquid lipstick, like a big one. I have the mini, and the Triggered shade, it looks so dark, so beautiful. I think I'm really gonna like it. It's giving me Dominatrix vibes, so I'm so curious to jump into that one. And the last item for this first box, can we take a minute here? This box has been pretty bomb. We have a translucent Magic Star setting powder. This is in the Luminous formula, not the original. Personally, I prefer the Luminous because it just has a little bit more zhuzh to it, but both are wonderful powders, and I am happy to have this. And the fact that it's translucent, of course, it's gonna be universal for everybody. Love. So far, I am pleasantly surprised, but I am so excited. Let's dig into this one. Look at how cute they make it to the packaging. I love. So cute. Okay. Oh, let's see what we got. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Stop it, stop it, stop it. I don't have this, guys. I've never tried it. I don't have it. I'm freaking out on the inside. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. I have goosebumps. You can't see them right now. I have goosebumps. They sent the frigging brown mascara. I've never tried this, guys. Is it the brown one? Yes, brown. I am gonna photograph the crap out of this. I haven't had a chance yet. Oh my God. Already this box is wow. Up next, the Star Ranch palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. Again, guys, they're keeping with including some really recent stuff. Jeffree has also included the Star Ranch palette. It actually made its debut in a mystery box. So this is sobomb.com. I think this is amazing so far. I am loving this box. Let's see what else. I haven't seen Blood Money in a mystery box in so long, and I think when I did see it, it was the 420 Star Lounge mystery boxes. I think. This is so beautiful. This box, wow, such good value already, such good value. Let's see what else we got. We have two the glosses. We have the shade Midnight Lick as well as Paid in Full. I love Paid in Full. It's such a beautiful color, and Midnight Lick I've never tried. When I wear a black lipstick, which is obviously few and far in between for me personally, but when I do, I like it to be a glossy black. It honestly triples the size of your lip and it looks so juicy. I would love to say that I'm putting this Midnight Lick in a giveaway. I don't think I am because I don't own it and I really, really like it. Up next, two Velour liquid lipsticks. We have the shade Blow Pony, which makes me so excited. I'm definitely going to be using this for an eye look. I have to do it. I have to do it. And also the shade I Gotta Go. Such a beautiful, beautiful shade. It's a light pinky color from what I remember. Of course, everything I'm going to put swatches up on the screen for you guys. I don't like opening product on camera just in case it does end up going in a giveaway. I love to keep things nice and crisp and clean for you guys. So again, we're getting a kind of crazy color. So I did notice that with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery boxes, we were getting a lot less crazy colors. So we've already now in both of these boxes kind of encountered some crazy colors, but important to note, but again, still an amazing box. Just from the palette choices alone, I'm kind of preferring these boxes, not gonna lie. Up next, a Velour lip scrub. This is in Diet Root Beer. This was from the Jeffree and Shane collection. And now a Velvet Trap. This is an Easter Sunday. I already own this. It's a yellow and it honest to God looks really bad on the lips. Not my favorite, but these are eye safe and they have a little bit more of a emollient to it. So these could be really fun to play with on the eyes. I am really thinking I'm gonna do my next eye look with just the Velour liquid lipsticks and stuff that's not meant particularly for the eyes. Let me know, guys. Let me know if you want to see that. The next item, a Supreme gloss. This is in shade Beauty Killer. So beautiful, but I already own it, so it's gonna go to one of you. And the last item in this middle tier box, we have a mirror. This looks like it's the White Marble Soft Touch, and for the life of me, I can't remember what that is. So let's just dig in here and see. Oh, I do not own this, and it is so beautiful. Wowie Maui. I love it, I love it, I love it. Wow to this box, guys. This box is done now, but it was really good. That mascara had me absolutely shook. I'm not gonna lie. We're on to our last box. It's this guy here, and it is very heavy, let me tell you. Like, honestly, at this point, I do like these mystery boxes a lot. I'm really happy I purchased them, honestly. No way. Okay, first we have the Conspiracy palette. Such a go-to, such a staple. Already, I love the fact that all three of these boxes, they had varying palettes. That was a really big complaint with the JSC mystery boxes. We were getting orgy in both tiers. Like, obviously some people buy both tiers, so why would you put the same palette in both? You know what I mean? But still love those boxes. Definitely like these ones more. Already. The next item, guys. Wow, I don't own this. I've never seen it in person. We have a Piggy makeup bag. This is like a matte faux leather. Sorry, not matte. This is like a shiny faux leather. It is so pretty. Are you kidding me? I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, the little pig detail here. So cute. Bomb. These boxes. This can't be real, guys. This can't be real. Holy mist. Holy mist. A brand new product. Wow. I am blown away. I'm blown away. I will buy these boxes every time. They're so good. Holy crap. The next item, I can't even make this shit up. I cannot even make this shit up. These are the best boxes ever. I wanted a backup pricked palette for so long. All I have is the one that I use, so I can't use it for my photography, and now I have it. This is probably one of my favorite palettes from the brand. If you caught my ranking video, I can link that up here, but this was super duper high and I had just gotten it. That's how much I love this palette. It is so beautiful. I'm speechless. What do I even say? Like, these boxes are unbelievable. It just keeps getting better and better. We have an F-proof mascara. I needed a backup. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm speechless. I'm obsessed with these boxes. Wow. Up next, we have two of the glosses. This is in shade Tabletop and Peach price tag. Another thing to note, have you noticed that in each box, there was not repeat shades of lipsticks of anything? I really, really like, unless I missed something. I really, really like that the company did not include any repeats. This is bomb.com in my opinion, and it actually more entices you to buy all three tiers. You know what I mean? Up next, two Velour liquid lipsticks, again not repeat shades. We have the shade Virginity as well as Jeffree What the F. This was from the Jeffree and Shane collection. I don't have this Virginity shade, so I'm gonna be keeping it. Wow, again, really great color selection. I'm super impressed. Can you believe there's still a total of 6 items in this box? Absolutely shocking. We have the mini orgy palette. I have hit so home with these boxes. I needed another backup of this that I did not have, so I could never photograph it. Now I have it. I can't tell you how happy I am right now. I'm like over the moon thrilled with this. Wow, wow, wow. Up next, another newer item, we have a hydrating glitz lip balm. This is in Pink Roses. These are absolutely breathtaking. I'm gonna show you a picture on the screen that I've taken. I could photograph these lipsticks all day. The way they sparkle, like you do not want to put them on your lips because they're just so beautiful. The component, breathtaking. Love. Next, we have a Velour lip scrub. This is the Cantaloupe flavor. Another newer item, another delicious flavor. Love. We have a Supreme gloss. This was from the Weirdo collection. It's Effing Freak, the shade. Stunning. I always love a black gloss, like I mentioned. So good. And now an automatic eyeliner. This is in shade Resting Rich Face. I really like the formula of these. I'm not sure why the brand didn't put out any more colors. I would love to see a black from them. I would love to see more variations of browns. It would be really, really nice. But I do like the formula a lot. Super bomb to have. And the last item in the box, we have another mirror. Wow. This one is the Chocolate Soft Touch, which I do own. Absolutely classic and stunning. I love. That is pretty much it for these boxes. You could pretty much tell these are probably the best mystery boxes I've ever opened. I'm completely shook. I was not expecting them to be this good, and I would highly, highly suggest if they ship to wherever you're at, buy them next time because wow, definitely worth your buck. I love them. What did you guys think of these boxes? What were your favorite items inside? I'm so curious to know. Definitely leave it in the comments down below. Another thing, as you know, I just announced the winner of my Valentine's Day giveaway. It was the biggest giveaway I've ever done, which included, I think, 4 or 5 palettes inside. It was amazing. But now, as you could tell from this video, I have product coming out of my ears. I'm thinking, should I do another giveaway? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Give this video a like. The more likes, the more comments that are here, I know you want another giveaway. I one time did a giveaway, I think really quickly again on my channel, and several people were like, wow, do you ever not do giveaways? So I don't want to like annoy you guys with them. So definitely let me know if you're interested in that. I would love to host another one. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye guys.